How can fire departments ensure the safety and compliance of their gear? NFPA 1851. Inspection examines firefighting protective gear to ensure safety, functionality, and compliance with regulatory standards. Discover how eAuditor streamlines this critical process. NFPA 1851 sets standards for the selection, care, and maintenance of protective ensembles. This includes turnout coats, pants, helmets, gloves, hoods, and boots. The standard ensures all firefighting PPE remains safe and functional. Compliance protects those who protect our communities. Understanding these standards is crucial for effective gear management. Define your PPE inventory by cataloging gear types, manufacturers, and service history. Create custom checklists in eAuditor for routine and advanced inspections. Schedule inspections using eAuditor's calendar tools. Plan for routine, monthly, and annual checks. This preparation ensures thorough and compliant inspections. Routine inspections look for visual damage and contamination. Advanced inspections check moisture barriers and thermal layers. Post-exposure checks address pathogen and chemical exposure. Each checklist ensures thorough evaluation of gear condition. Proper inspections safeguard firefighter safety and compliance. Conduct visual reviews for damage and discoloration using smart devices. Detailed inspections cover liner separation and stitch integrity. Document evidence with annotated photos and notes. Mark items as pass. Needs cleaning, repair, or retire. This thorough documentation ensures accountability and transparency. eAuditor generates instant digital reports with checklist results and images. Share reports with department leadership and compliance auditors. Securely archive inspections with filters for easy retrieval. Track gear lifecycle with complete traceability. This automation ensures compliance and accountability. eAuditor transforms NFPA 1851 compliance into a streamlined process. It protects firefighters through structured inspections and data-driven insights. Ensure your gear is safe, functional, and compliant with eAuditor.